Welcome to the More Realtors weekly St. Louis real estate market update. I'm Dennis Norman, one of the brokers at More, and if you'll give me a few minutes of your time, I'll bring you up to date on what's happening in the St. Louis housing market. Let's jump right in with the St. Louis real estate news. Here's headlines from stlouisrealestatenews.com, the area's best source of news and information on the St. Louis real estate market. Headlines this week include that low prices and low mortgage rates have spurred 2010 vacation home purchases. The vacation home market seems to be doing well. Shadow inventory dropped slightly, but still at a 9-month supply. Shadow inventory being those homes, mainly foreclosures that are not on the market, that are being held back by lenders and are concerned due to the impact that they're going to have on the market. That supply has dropped slightly, but because the sales activity has dropped too, it's still a 9-month supply. Good article on FHA being a great resource for borrowers with limited resources or credit issues, along with our weekly St. Louis mortgage interest rate update. And then also another report that shows an enormous backlog of foreclosures. So foreclosures are here to stay for a while, and their effect on the market, which is downward pricing pressure, is going to be seen for a while. Now we're going to move into what's happening in the market itself. All the data I'm going to share with you is for the St. Louis 5-county area, which includes the city of St. Louis, as well as the counties of St. Louis, St. Charles, Jefferson, and Franklin. By clicking on the chart or going to the URL, you will be taken to our website where you can get detailed market analysis, including charts and stats for specific market areas throughout the St. Louis region. This first chart shows what the median sales price is of the homes being sold over the last 12 months, as well as what the median days on market is, or the time to sell. As you'll see, the green line, which are the median sales prices, after taking a little peak here and hitting a little peak in June due to tax credits, have pretty much trended downward with a couple little hiccups up. You can ignore, since we're in the first day of April, the end of this is going to tail off, but the trend is down. Median days on market, again, has continued to rise and jumped up fairly significantly here from February to March. Again, you can ignore this little tail here as we've just gotten into the month. Here's the same chart, or same data, with just a year-to-date chart. And again, the green line represents the median sales price, and you can see it actually trended upward a little bit and then definitely dipped downward in March. Again, we can ignore the tail into April. Median days to sell has definitely been trending upward. This next chart is shows the ratio of the sales price to the list price for homes sold for the past 12 months. The blue line represents the sales price to the list price at the time of sale, and the green line represents what the final sales price was related to what the original listing price was when the property hit the market. And ignore this hiccup here in December, but basically we can see from the blue line here, it's been bouncing around, but the trend has definitely been downward over the past few months in terms of the sales price to the current list price. And the green line representing the sales price to original list price dipped down in February, then actually bounced back up a little bit in March. When I commented on this last week, my comment was that sellers may be opening up and becoming more receptive to what their homes are really worth, and perhaps are pricing them more accurately coming out of the market. This next chart shows the same data just year to date, and again we can see that the sales price to list price ratio is definitely dropping. But when we look at the sales price to the original list price ratio, the green line, it's on the rise a little bit. So again, I think that probably just reflects realtors doing a better job of educating the sellers and sellers pricing their homes more appropriately. This next chart is a historic chart. This shows what the median list price has been for homes, as well as the median sale price over the last 10 years. The blue line represents median list prices, which again we can see increased until about 2006 and pretty much has steadily declined, still above the 2001 levels, but list prices are around the late 2003 levels. In the green line, the median sales price peaked somewhere around late 06 or 07. It's pretty much trended downward and seems to be trending definitely downward in 2011. This next chart's the same data, just year to date, and we can see it confirms that the median list price is ticking up a little bit, but the median sales price year to date has definitely been steadily trending downward. Now, what I've given you here is a quick snapshot of the overall St. Louis market. At More Realtors, we have the knowledge, experience, and resources to counsel you, help you interpret the data, and tell you what it means to your particular situation. We can prepare custom reports and charts for you so you can stay on top of home prices and market activity in your neighborhood or area you're interested in buying a home on. Click on the chart to see complete market data. In addition, we publish a free monthly newsletter that is packed with information, news, and resources on the St. Louis real estate market. You can sign up here on our website to receive it monthly via email, or you can click on the newsletter here and be taken to a site to sign up. And finally, my partner, John Williams, and myself, along with our team of dedicated real estate professionals, are here to use our experience and knowledge to help make your next real estate transaction a successful one, no matter how challenging your situation may be. Click on our photos to find out more about us. And we'll see you next week. God bless.